This is a review of the Brushmo 6-in-1 electric toothbrush that I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and we're pretty much going to unbox this package and show you guys what you get in the package and whether or not if this electric toothbrush is worth it. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get. But before that, let's talk about some of the things. It's a 6-in-1 one-handle 4 brush heads. It comes with a charger, and it's a long-lasting battery that it comes with supplied as well too. And it is pretty much it comes with the 5 customizational modes. The IPX7, it's waterproof, so that means it withstands water. So that's all the stuff right there. But now what we're going to do now is unbox and show you guys what you get and whether or not if this electric toothbrush is worth it. Okay, so we took it out from the box, and right from here we get the electric toothbrush itself here too. It looks very beautiful in a black finish. It looks very outstanding. The quality feels very good as well too. I'm going to take it out from the package and show you guys how the close-up view. You can see it looks very, beautiful. I'm going to take the plastic off and show you guys how it exactly looks like. Okay, so we took everything out of the package, and you can see here, one of the things I am amazed about this product is that it comes with 4 electric toothbrushes that they are reusable, and you can use them again. They look very outstanding and marvelous and high quality. Each one of them has their own color. One is in a blue, one is in a green, one is another color right there, and then there's another color right there. Then right from here we can see it comes with the supplied charger as well too, so whenever the battery goes down, you can use this and pretty much charge it up. It comes with the supplied adapter as well too, and the USB right over there, right as there too. Then right here we get the instruction manual guide. If you get lost or something like that, you have that. That also comes with that too. But it is very user-friendly and very operable. Like, it's not too hard to really use it. It's very self-explanatory. So pretty much when you hit this dial right here, so you press this, then you can see it says clean, and it's one of the huge cool things about it is that it comes with fully 100% charged. So it's on a clean mode, so you can use that mode to pretty much rinse and clean your teeth. Then it has a whitening mode, so if you want to do like whitening, then it has the white mode as well too. And if your teeth or gums are sensitive, then you could go to this one, which is going to go pretty much work out and go very minimal. So that way, if you have sensitive gums or sensitive teeth, it will adjust according to however your liking is for your teeth. And then right over here, then we get gum care mode. So if your gums are, like they're not too good, then you can use that mode as well there too. It has a gum care mode right there. Then last but not least, on the bottom, if you're wanting to deep clean your teeth, then you can use this mode right here. So all these, it's like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different options that are very easy to use, and it's not too complicated or too hard. That's what makes this product very outstanding. I love the fact that it's very easy to use, and it has 5 different sets of, care on how, you want to clean your teeth. You have the clean mode, the white mode, the sensitive mode. And then you got the gum care mode, then you got the deep clean mode. So that right there is pretty much it to this product. It comes with 4 different electric brushes as well there too, so you could wash them, reuse them again, and pretty much do everything right over from the start in the beginning to right there. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product. It's extremely high quality. It feels very good, and the quality of the brushes as well there too, it looks really amazing and high quality. And it has a long-lasting battery. It comes with the adapter charger right there too, and the brick. Long-lasting battery. It has everything that you need for an electric toothbrush. This is probably one of the high-quality electric toothbrushes that I have seen, and I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for an electric toothbrush. Then this is probably one of the best electric toothbrushes that you could get.